A local salesman receives a base salary of $525 monthly. He also receives a commission of 10% on all sales over $800. How much would he have to sell in a month if he needed to have a monthly income of $2,500? Let's quickly talk about what is commission. So if you decide to work for a company and maybe you work for their sales department, companies like to incentivize or motivate their employees to sell more, and usually they get a percentage of whatever they make in sales. So in this particular example, they make 10% on all sales over $800. So let's say that you are a salesperson for this company, and in 1 month, you end up selling $805 worth of merchandise. So the amount that this is over 800, you could subtract 800 from this, and you'd see that you have $5 over the 800 threshold. So then what you're doing is you're calculating 10% of that $5, and the way that you calculate 10% is you multiply 0.10 times 5, and that's going to end up equaling 50 cents. So for a particular month, if you sold $805 worth of merchandise, you would be getting 50 cents plus your base salary of $525. And so for that month in total, you would be making $525.50. Now, that's not what this question is asking. So let's think about this a little bit differently. So we have been learning about linear equations. Now, the 525 is kind of like our b value, 525, and our slope is going to be a little bit different than we've been used to seeing it, like y equals mx plus b. It's going to look slightly different. So we're calculating 10% of however much over 800 we make. And so earlier when we did 805, we subtracted that from 800, and then whatever that was, we multiplied it by 10%. So in general, whatever sales you make, you want to subtract that from 800 and then multiply that by 10%. So this is the linear equation that we are dealing with, and we want to know how much does the person have to sell. So in this case, X represents the amount that the salesperson is selling. How much do we have to sell so that we meet $2,500 for that month? Okay, so now we've done this and we can start to solve for X. So I'm going to subtract $525 from both sides. And then I'm going to get 0.10 times X minus 800 is equal to 1,975. And then from here, I want to divide both sides by 0.10. And so I'll get X minus 800 is equal to 19,750. And then my last step is I want to add 800 to both sides. So we get X equals $20,550. So this represents the amount of money that the salesperson would need to sell so that they have a monthly income of $2,500.